Hi, welcome to Finance IT course of NIPA. I am KT Kim from Industrial Bank of Korea, IBK. In this last session, we will go over digital branch that is transformed from physical store to technology-assisted environment. Physical branch is a characteristic that distinguishes bank from fintech. Bank branch goes through rapid changes in post-pandemic era. We will go through 4 sides of this change: digital kiosk, visual aids, identification-less branch, and document-less branch. First, digital kiosk is a developed form of an ATM, and digital technology provides full service capability to cash withdrawal machine. Digital kiosk is an ATM with full banking service. It can issue check card, open new account, and print bank statement. It also provides video chat with contact center and palm vein authentication to replace a small branch. Although it has capability to be no human branch, banks place an agent to help people not familiar with new gadget. Diminishing branch visit force bank to extend ATM locations. Strategic location with kiosk, broader range with consigned ATMs. Full service kiosk is usually located in convenience store or inside a college, where young customers who can carry out banking service without help. On the other hand, unprofitable ATM locations, such as near subway or bus station, are filled with consigned ATM, which can handle multiple banks' cash dispensing operation. Its operation cost can be distributed to beneficiary banks for expense saving. Visual aids such as video call and seminar help troubled customers and investment sales team. Video call enables meetings more convenient and lifelike with contactless technology. It also helps investors understand fine print in high-risk investment product. VIP customer can have a 3-way video chat with VIP manager and professional from headquarters to consult and receive instant and professional advice. Regulation recently allowed trust product sale through video chat in Korea, and banks try to use video call for a credible and undisputed proof to prevent incomplete sale of risky products. Korean banks aggressively attract customers to their social media channel and provide both soft content for young viewers and professional advisory for VIP customers. Recent video marketing for YouTube is interesting. KB Bank, the biggest in Korea, worked with BTS to boost its subscriber base to overcome 500,000 subscribers of NH Bank. Video seminar can give face-to-face experience with interactive features. Banks provide customized advisory service through YouTube streaming and video conference software Zoom, especially after COVID-19 pandemic. Banks give financial advisory in general, like retirement planning for age 50+ customers, and tax planning and wealth management advice for high net worth customers. Video chat with sign language and visible phone banking is used to provide accessibility for aged people or with hearing aid, expanding financial inclusion coverage. People with hearing aid can talk to a teller who speaks sign language through video chat. Aged and disabled customers can use visible phone banking with both video and audio guide to speed up transaction. In-branch identification gets easier and more accurate without plastic card, but with mobile driver's license and biometrics. In 2020, mobile carrier introduced mobile driver's license that police officer and CVS crew can scan QR code for age check. Blockchain technology is used to equip license information and verification code. This app is provided by mobile carrier and pre-installed when you buy a new smartphone. Banks is getting ready to accept this mobile ID as customer identification method by taking a photo of this QR code without punching in license numbers. It provides less chance of ID card forgery on bank transactions. You can identify yourself with what you have on your body biometrics, palm vein and voice that nobody can take away from and without remembering password. Palm vein pattern is recognized with infrared sensor. It has advantage in pandemic era for its speed, accuracy, and contactlessness. Voice identification lets banks compare 100 plus voice features from customers' 15 seconds conversation with previously recorded voice. Identical twins and siblings can be distinguished. This technology helps bring better branch experience to aged and handicapped customers. Paperless technology will change branch into no document environment. Branch without papers use tablet PC to retrieve customers' handwriting and detailed time record of sales activity for service quality evaluation. Each fill-in items in application form is read aloud and explained to prevent mistakes. Auto-populated data such as address and phone numbers let you complete faster and give better experience than paper forms. Also, step-by-step activities cannot be skipped and recorded for replay, standardizing each process and maintaining service quality claim-free. You don't have to visit or fax documents to branch anymore. If you scan documents on the mobile phone, then high-resolution images are sent to your banks. Camera detects document edges and rotate or skew images automatically to fit into scan guideline. Then captured text on the document images are checked by human for corrections. This will get rid of hassles for customers to bring printed documents to branch and also speed up the checking process for bank. To recap, we have browsed digital technology use cases in bank industry. Digital technology helped banks keep up with new environment change from one of the most regulated and slow industry. If banks do not change, they can become extinct. It will be interesting to see how banks utilize these digital technology to survive and benefit customers in the process. Thank you for watching.